Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So we have another Windows Update issue, and unfortunately this is not a new issue. And the update now for Windows 11 version 22H2 that is causing the problem is the most recent bug fix update that I actually posted on earlier today that started rolling out on the 26th of July, KB5028254. Now, this isn't a new issue, as I have mentioned. And I actually posted on this earlier this month, where a previous Windows 11 update was causing issues with some UI customization apps that were causing Explorer.exe to crash, like Start All Back and Explorer Patcher. Now, over on Microsoft's Known Issues Health Dashboard page, the same day Microsoft did roll out this update for Windows 11 22H2, Microsoft has now reopened the known issue called third-party UI customization apps might prevent the Start menu from opening. And Microsoft officially says in this latest known issue post over on their Health Dashboard page, after installing KB5028254 or later updates, the Start menu might not open on Windows devices with some third-party UI customization apps installed. They carry on to say the known affected third-party UI customization app is Explorer Patcher, but others might also be affected. So as I posted on earlier this month, it might also be Start All Back might also be an affected app that is causing issues. And Microsoft carries on to say, these types of apps often use unsupported methods to achieve their customization and as a result can have unintended results on your Windows device. So if you are using a third-party customization app and have already upgraded to this latest optional update, because it is an optional update, so if you have decided to install it and are using, as an example, Explorer Patcher, and your Start menu is not opening, or as previously reported, your File Explorer or your shell of your computer, your shell.exe, Explorer.exe is crashing, then what you need to do is Microsoft says that they recommend uninstalling any third-party UI customization apps before installing this update. So before you install this update, then they recommend uninstalling those apps, because obviously the two together cause the issues. And that's obviously uninstalling those third-party apps to prevent the issue. And if your Windows device is already experiencing this issue, you might need to contact customer support for the developer of the app you are using. Now, Microsoft says the next steps are, and it looks like Microsoft is leaving the ball in the court of the third-party app developers. They say, if you are using any third-party customization apps and encounter any issues, you will need to contact customer support for the developer of the app you are using. So clearly, with this latest Start menu issue, where the Start menu might not open, if you are using, as an example, Explorer Patcher, Microsoft is leaving the ball in your court, because obviously they are not taking responsibility. They say that these apps do use unsupported methods to achieve their customization. So obviously they're leaving it in the ball in the court of the developers of those apps and the affected platforms. As mentioned, the OS is version 22H2. There's no info out there at this stage that it's affecting any other versions of Windows, just version 22H2 of Windows 11. And obviously I'll follow this one. And if this does get resolved or there is any more updates and more info out there, I will obviously post and let you guys know. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.